Google is throwing itself into the fight against ultra-secret national security letters, or NSLs, issued by the FBI to obtain private data about its users. The search giant filed its petition in a California federal court just days after an unnamed service provider won a similar suit challenging the constitutionality of NSLs. Now that Google is in the ring, though, can we expect a major shift in the FBI's cyberspace investigations?
National security letters are a unique form of administrative subpoena that allows the FBI to obtain customer records from telecommunications companies, from banks, from financial institutions, and it allows the FBI to get that information without a warrant, and it also allows the FBI to gag recipients and tell them that they're not actually legally able to communicate to the public that they received those orders. This is a letter sent wholly on the FBI's own authority. There's no judge involved at the outset. There's no one there, frankly, to tell the FBI, no impartial adjudicator to tell the FBI that they may be overstepping their bounds. So this is the FBI simply saying, we need this information, you can't tell anybody, and that's that. Not only is the gag provision at risk, but the entire ability of the FBI to issue any of these kinds of orders going forward is at risk as well. And kudos to Google for bringing this challenge. They could have done it a long time ago. We wish they would have, and frankly, we wish that other companies would do it as well. There are, as Nick mentioned, there are hundreds of thousands of letters that have gone out over the past decade, and we only have a handful of challenges.
What's the balance then to be struck here, right? What is the proper balance?
There are any number of large challenges or large problems with this statute. The main fundamental problem with NSLs is there is no court involvement. This is a process that the FBI can issue on its own. So at the very minimum, courts need to be involved to be able to directly oversee the process that the FBI sends out.